Minister, how do you respond to your cabinet colleagues privately criticising your handling of the negotiations and insistence on reform?
Well, I think reform has to play a part to the overall medium-term position for the economy. Like, we need to use our baseline expenditure to really drive better efficiencies, better outputs from the existing base of spending. We've increased overall public expenditure by 45% in the last 5 years. This is a budget that moderates current spending, but achieves a huge amount when you think of the investment in infrastructure and housing, what we're doing to protect the 2.8 million people working in our economy, and the real investment in public services and education and health, and also the real intervention we're making to support initiatives and targeted measures on child poverty. But reform is something everyone needs to embrace in the context of delivering better outcomes for the citizens we represent.
There'll be a lot of people, particularly the squeezed middle, who haven't seen any changes to their income taxes, for example. Do you anticipate that a budget like this is the kind of budget we will see throughout the term of this government?
Well, we're surrounded by huge political and geopolitical risk internationally, and that's why this budget is about investing in our future, and that mitigates the risk in terms of the Irish economy. We know that a lot of the squeezed middle are working and have jobs. We want to protect that employment. We want to build new opportunities with new employment. But also, if you speak to the employers in the economy, they see the infrastructure deficit, how it constrains investment. So critical to that future is ensuring we build up and wrap up infrastructure investment to drive and increase employment growth. But also protect their economic future, which is ultimately critical, and that's why this is a budget focused on investment. And then the other opportunities, I think, of future budgets to examine a different type of tax package, but this was one that tried to drive housing development as well, and I think that was something we needed to do.
And just on childcare, a lot of parents, I know the emphasis is very much on boosting the number of places within the system, but a lot of parents will have been looking for that €200 cap or a move towards that €200 cap. A lot of parents will be disappointed now that move isn't there.
Probably will set out the broader depth of the package relating to childcare. It's a double-digit growth in terms of the overall allocation to childcare, but we need to have the capacity in the sector. There's 35,000 new places part of the National Childcare Scheme, but there's also other measures that she'll be able to detail on further supporting childcare across communities, and I think people see the level of investment capital in her department as well. We're really trying to focus on early years and improve affordability for childcare as well.